Slimline Jen-Velope Template tutorial. Let's begin. You'll need an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of cardstock. So starting with the 8.5 inch side in the top of the scoreboard, your first score will be 2.5 inches. The second score will be 6.5 inches. Rotate your cardstock. Score at 1.5 inches. Second score at 10.5 inches. So we'll remove this scoreboard and we're going to trim off the corners. As shown in the diagram here, like this. Using long shears will help get straight cuts. So this is what it should look like so far. I'm going to take a T ruler and I'm going to measure 1/4 inch off the top of my side flap on both sides and drawing a line from the corner to the pencil mark as shown here. And do that to both sides. Just drawing a quick freehand guide, we will draw some pencil marks. We're going to angle cut the bottom closing flap. Take some scissors and trim off along all of the pencil lines, trying to get them as straight as you possibly can. We'll take a 1/2 inch corner rounder and round the corners on the closing flap of the envelope and crease all of the score marks. And now you'll see you have a small flap and a larger flap. So we'll take the small flap and fold that in first, and then apply a strong adhesive to the inside of the larger flap and put that over top of the small flap. And then use a bone folder to press that tape together. Apply adhesive to the bottom of the envelope and press that together. And then use a 1/2 inch circle punch to create a finger notch at the top of the envelope. Apply adhesive to your closing flap. Don't peel that off until later. Now it's your turn. Go and make an envelope. Thanks for watching.